Welcome to Crash Cases, where every frame tells a story of speed, fate, and survival. Each clip a lesson written in metal and motion. Feel the tension rise. Watch choices unfold in seconds. Stay sharp. Learn fast. Because on the road, awareness isn't optional, it's life-saving. Buckle in. The truth is about to hit. A pickup truck crashed into a hospital emergency room. No lives should ever be risked like this. Stay alert, control your speed, and drive responsibly. The car driver failed to check before turning left, main cause of the crash. Speeding BMW was only secondary. Always observe carefully before any turn. Caught on camera, a violent crash between a pickup and a school bus left 11 injured. Slow down near schools. Awareness can prevent tragedy.
Controle da direção invadiu o supermercado com carro. Veja comigo, ó. Isso lá em Guapimirim. Ouviu o impacto?
A driver lost control after a sudden heart attack crashing into a supermarket. No injuries. Check your health before driving. Safety starts there. The driver tried to reverse but went forward, plunging from a 5-story car park. Rescuers acted fast, saving her safely. Focus and caution prevent disaster. Inexperienced driver lost control on a curve and crashed into a family's living room. Always slow down and stay focused. Control saves lives. During a BMW X1 test drive, the driver lost control and hit the showroom lobby after mistaking the accelerator for the brake. Focus and calmness prevent costly errors. Surveillance footage showed a car losing control and crashing into a fire station in Ferguson. Thankfully, the driver was safe. Stay alert, every second matters. La Vesta collided with an ambulance at an intersection. As usual, haste and carelessness led to the crash. Stay patient, safety is never a race. Car caught fire after a crash and bystanders broke the windows to rescue the driver. Quick action saves lives, never ignore someone in need. Unusual yet true, a large truck flipped onto a house in Albany, Canada. No injuries reported, but recovery was tough. Stay alert, control keeps accidents away. Every crash leaves a mark not just on cars, but on minds. You've seen the split seconds that change everything. Remember them. Respect the road. Slow when it matters. Look twice before you move. Stay focused before it's too late. Crash Cases isn't just footage, it's a warning in motion. If this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe.